At Carolinas College, our goal is to make sure you're ready for a modern healthcare environment. The reality is that in healthcare today, you'll be working and collaborating with teammates from different professions. It's a trend called interprofessional education, and it'll have big benefits for you as a healthcare professional, but also for the patients you treat. So why not start practicing it while you're here at Carolinas College?
So interprofessional education, or IPE, is when students from different professions learn about and from each other and ultimately collaborate as a team to treat patients. So for example, maybe a nurse needs to work closely with a dietitian to create a wellness plan to treat a patient, or maybe blood needs to be collected from a phlebotomist, and so then the lab person collaborates with that phlebotomist to treat the patient. So regardless of the team, the patient really remains the focus.
People are stressed and busy, and everybody's focused on patient care, but they're focused on their part of patient care. Another difficulty really is with our specialties. We all get lost in our own jargon, and so sometimes when we talk, if we can't break it down for each other in a way that we can both understand, it becomes very difficult to communicate with each other. We all want to get to the same spot, and so we're only going to get there by working together.
So IPE happens kind of like the game of telephone, where one message is communicated to several different people, and once it gets to the end, that message may have misconstrued or been changed several times throughout communicating through several different people. Now imagine that this game is being used in a healthcare setting, where you're communicating about a patient's safety and wellness. The message must be received and delivered in the intended fashion in which it was delivered, so that patients can receive quality and satisfactory care.
Throughout your time here at the college, you will be introduced to interprofessional collaborative practice and how highly effective teams work to improve patient outcomes. As you learn about the uniqueness of your own profession and gain valuable skills, you will also learn the value that other professionals bring to the table. In healthcare, no one works in a silo. Healthcare is complicated and is getting even more complex each day. We must all bring our skills, knowledge, and abilities together as we care for our patients and our community.
So IPE will be provided in every program at the college, and so once you graduate, you will have the communication and practice tools necessary to effectively work within a team.
So Team Steps is going to be a discussion and a workshop that's all about communication and collaboration between teams. We're going to focus on communication, team building exercises, and how you can incorporate that into your programs.
Because that's going to help you get the most out of your education. Really learning from other people, watching other people, and you will see how other people communicate, how do other people treat other people.
Teamwork, collaboration, and effective communication are important characteristics in all healthcare teammates. At Carolinas College, we want to set you up for success in your career, and that is why we are preparing all students to be successful interprofessional practice partners. As faculty members and experts in our respected fields, we look forward to one day calling you our colleagues. With skills in interprofessional education, regardless of our discipline, we can act as an expert team to promote safety for ourselves, our teammates, and of course, the patients that we serve.